Hello everyone, so today I'm going to share something very useful with you. It has been a game changer in our household. Bedtime used to be a disaster ever since I had my son. A few weeks ago, while I was scrolling through Instagram, I found a video that inspired me. It showed a simple bedtime routine board that seemed easy to make at home. I thought it could be a fun DIY activity for kids too. Alright, so let's get started. The first thing you should do is create a custom list tailored for your child. I started thinking what I should include on this routine board. Then I started writing the most basic routine before bed. Since I'm atheist myself, I won't include prayer. If you want, of course you can do that. Okay, so according to the list, I searched for cute and cheerful cartoonish images on Google. It's important to choose photos that look fun and appealing. Now you can see I've printed out the photos along with some supporting words to make it more engaging. Unfortunately, my office printer only prints in black and white, so I had to color the pictures by hand using pencils after that. But you can use crayons or markers, whatever you prefer. You may be wondering why I should including the support words. Because the board is divided into sections, and every time your child completes a task, they can fold the flap. Behind it, a motivational message will appear. Alright, so now it's time to prepare the routine photos. Let's cut them out into different shapes. Okay, so next what you should do is take two thick A4 papers and cut them into equal sections. Here you can see I just placing and getting a measure from each pictures. Once you've created the columns, fold in each half. Then stick the routine pictures in the center of each sections of the paper. Be sure measure carefully. I decided to use cardboard from a box as the base of the routine board. As you can see, I've drawn several columns. You can choose how wide each one should be. It's entirely up to your design. Now place all the prepared pieces on the board. Leave some space at the top for a title or decorations. When sticking the pictures, make sure only to glue one side of the flap so it can still fold. After that, attach the motivational words at the bottom of each section. Align them with the lines you drew earlier. Alright, so I almost finished here. This is the result. So yeah, do you like it? I think I like it. So regarding the support words, I was missing one word. So I cut out red and pink hearts as decorations to make it look even cuter. Okay, so we are almost done. For each routine, write the name of the task on the flap. When the task is completed, the flap is closed. You can also write done or well done, whatever words that's inspirational on the back of each flap so it's visible when it's folded. At the end, I used Scotch tape to make the board more durable and give it a protective layer. Be sure to tape all the corners and edges. Alright, so now it's done, yay! Now my son is more excited to brush his teeth, put on pajamas and follow the bedtime routine. What used to take an hour now only takes about 20 minutes. How brilliant, right? So you can hang your board on the wall or place it on shelf. Just make sure it's within your child's reach. Good luck everyone, so see you in my next video. Bye bye!